I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. Today my menu is vegetable rice balls, and we call it in Tamil it is korkate. We have just added vegetables in order to bring it in under kids menus category. So then I'll show you how I make it spicy for adults also to eat. Now this is a very nutritious delicacy, and this also you can use as starters in parties, and even for you call somebody for tea, and you can have it as a tea snack. So I'll show you step by step how I do this. Now I have taken 2 big glasses of rice flour. Now this rice flour you can buy it from the market, but I have done these, I have soaked in water for 10 minutes, washed it, and then I have ground it. And this will have the typical authentic taste if you do it like this. Otherwise you can use the market available rice flour. Now in this I have just boiled 2.5 glasses of water. Now the water is getting boiled, and so now I am going to add 1 cup full of vegetables, because I told you it is vegetable rice balls. So I am adding cut beans, carrots and peas. These 3 vegetables I am going to add in this. Along with that I will be adding just 2 chilies, just to make it little bit spicy even for adult children to eat. Now I will be showing you the process. First I will add the vegetables, and then I will add the chilies. I will just allow this to boil, just take a boil now, and then I will be adding just 1 teaspoon of salt, because later we can add it if we need it after the dough is made. And once the dough is made, I have to make it a smooth dough by just pressing it too many times, and then I have to make it into small balls. And I will steam it for 10-15 minutes, and then I will show you the process step by step. Now I have to make this dough by adding the rice flour to this hot water. Initially the water should have boiled up to 100 degrees Celsius, and then you have to add the vegetables and just give a boil, and then slowly add this rice flour and make it a dough. And this will get cooked very fast. Very nice and nutritious breakfast. And this, I told you, as you can use it as a tea snack also, as a starter in the parties, once you make it spicy. I'll show you how you can make it still more spicier. I'll show you the process step by step. Now I have made the dough. The dough will be like this. It will be like this after it is being cooked in hot water along with the vegetables and green chilies. And then I have made the ball like this, which I have already steamed it. So the balls will be looking like this before I steam it. And I have steamed it only in a pressure cooker. If you have a steamer, you can do it in anything, in idli cooker, anything you can do it. Now the final stage is I'll be seasoning it. Now I'll be doing 2 types of seasoning. That is one just with rye and little salt and hing, the other one with lot of chili powder. So you can make it either way you want. So now I have first thing I am going to make is just to season it with mustard seeds, little bit of hing, which is optional, because if you want to make only for kids, they may not like the hing smell, so that is very optional. And then I am going to add a few cooked balls in this once the mustard seeds splatter. Now the balls look like this after it's being steamed. So I'll be putting just a few of them. Just how this will look without the chili powder. I'll be adding little salt. Now the one ingredient which I forgot to tell you while making the dough is I just squeezed half lemon in the entire dough, and that is optional, and you can decide according to the taste which you want. If you want it more khatta, then you can add more lemon also. The lemon doesn't add much to the taste of it, but it adds color. And then next is the flavor. It gives a nice flavor. Now I'll be tempering it with chili powder, which I forgot to add in the beginning. Just half teaspoon for this much of cooked balls. And hing. As I told you, for the children this hing is optional. And this chili powder also you can add according to your taste. If you want it more spicy, you can add more. Now since I have got only few balls here, I have added just half teaspoon of chili powder. And if you want, you can fry it like potatoes to a crispy ball, or if you are health conscious, then you can just remove it as soon as you temper it. Now the final stage is the plating. Now this is my final plating. That is, I have made today the vegetable balls. I told you the seasoning is of two types. One is without the chili powder, the other one is with chili powder. Without the chili powder I have done for the sake of the kids menu. And then the with chili powder also, you can add the quantity of chili powder as per your taste. But finally I have added little bit of salt and then hing only in the tempering with chili powder, because the children may not like the smell of the hing, so that I have not added, and just have seasoned it only with mustard seeds and then decorated it with coriander leaves. That's all. Now this is a very very healthy snack. You can take it as a breakfast, or even for your tea time snack, or even as a substitute for some aloo fry also. You can take it along during the lunch. So if you like my recipe, please try it and then come back to me with your expert comments. And if you like it, you please share, subscribe, and then come back to me. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram.